Hello everybody and welcome to yet another episode on EduMedia YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to upgrade WASSCE results. Is it possible? Is it legal? And is it acceptable? For answers to all of these questions and many more, stick with me till the end of this video. Welcome back once again to EduMedia YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, consider liking our content and share our content with your friends, family and colleagues. The 2022 WASSCE examination result was released last week, and you might have come across messages such as this, or something like this. All these messages are telling you about upgrading your WASSCE result. They are telling you on how to upgrade your WASSCE result at a fee. All what they are saying here is that you need to pay them, and when you pay them, sit at your home, relax, and then they provide you with a better result. And normally these are targeted towards people who have lower grades in their WASSCE examination. So this is what they do. They post this, and then some of them go to your DM and then send this to you, trying to see how they can work with you to get you a better WASSCE result. And the question is, how do they do this? Are they actually providing you with the right result? Are they actually providing you with the result that is from the WASSCE system? Do they actually work with WASSCE? And if they do, how is it possible that you don't even have to write any paper, you don't have to do anything? All that you need to do is to pay them the amount or pay them the fee, and then they get you a better result irrespective of your academic level. Now, there are several ways this can be done. Actually, if you are from the graphic design perspective, you could know that there are graphic design softwares that can be used to do this. Is it legal? Well, no, this is not the legal way to do this. For us to ascertain that this is legal or this is not legal, we'd have to go to the WASSCE examination website. On the WASSCE examination website, we have an announcement that the West African examination have given out. They gave out a scam alert. This alert was made on August 19, 2022, and they said that the West African Examination Council wishes to alert members of the public about the activities of some persons who fraudulently make calls or send messages introducing themselves as staff of WASSCE, and who claim that 1. The persons being contacted have challenges with the registration they made for a particular WASSCE examination, and 2. They work in the WASSCE strong room and can upgrade results. These persons often request for payments to be made via mobile money transfers to the phone numbers they provide. The council wishes to caution members of the public to disregard such phone calls as they are from scammers. So this is the most important line here. The council wishes to caution members of the public to disregard such phone calls as they are from scammers. WASSCE wishes to assure members of the public that its databases are secured and that any forgery of information or results can be detected by the confirmation or verification system. Institutions and organizations are advised to confirm or verify results presented to them directly from the council or access the confirmation or verification service online at wasscegh.org. Now, members of the public are advised to report the activities of these fraudsters to the police, the nearest WASSCE office, or call this particular number. This was an alert given by WASSCE in August of this year. Now, in November also, WASSCE came out with another letter which was cautioning people, the general public, about this. So, in November, 22nd November 2022, WASSCE came out with a press statement. The press statement was actually on the release of the WASSCE 2022 examination result. So in this letter also, when you come down to the ending part of the letter, we have it stated there, WASSCE wishes to use this opportunity to caution candidates to be on the alert for websites that may announce the release of fake results and persons who promise to upgrade results for a fee. These are all the activities of scammers. So this is where we want to indulge in. So as I said, this letter is from WASSCE, and you could see that it's signed by the head of public affairs. Agnes Teyekujo, and this is what WAEC is saying. So it therefore means that what is being provided there, the service these people said they are providing is actually null and void. It doesn't hold. It is not legal. And WAEC has even said that if you come across something like this, you are to report these people to the police. Assuming this has happened already, while you have your results from of them, they've taken your money, and you want to actually prove that this result is actually working. What you need to do is you go to the WAEC result checker. Now, on the WAEC result checker, all that you need to do is make sure you have your voucher. All right. Then you put in your index number, put in your examination type, the type of examination that the scammer assumed that he's going to provide the result for, and then the examination year. All right. So this is for those that have actually gone through the process. Probably the damage has been done. You want to confirm whether your result is actually in the WAEC system, whether your result is actually genuine and is valid. Please go through this, put in your details here, and then submit. All right. When you submit your details here, and it is actually from WAEC, then the results will pop up. If you put it in and you are seeing a different set of results, or you are not seeing anything at all, please advise yourself. What you are holding might not be a genuine result, and you might not even attempt using it to apply to a school or a job, because at the end of the day, you are going to be held accountable for that particular result when it turns out to be a fake result. So when you apply to a school, the school have the audacity, the school have the power to directly confirm with WAEC as to whether this result that you are presenting to them is genuine or is not genuine. So you have to do your own due diligence. You have to check very well, and you have to be careful with those that you contact for your WAEC upgrade. Please make sure that you don't fall victim to this. Now, if WAEC upgradement, or if this post WAEC is saying that this is a scam alert, this is not genuine. What is genuine? How can you update your result? Probably you performed low or you performed poorly in your WASSCE examination. Your result showed poor result. How can you better your grades? Now, there are several ways you can do this. One, you can go back to senior high school, probably as a second year student or third year. If you have a school that senior high school that accept you or that will accept you as as a third year student, you can go in and then you just sit for the WASSCE examination. That's an option for you. Or you can also go for the private examination, which is also conducted and then monitored by WAEC. This private examination, popularly referred to as NOVDEC, you can go through that method as well, where you do your own private studies and then you go in and sit for the examination. That is also similar to resitting for the examination. So you can take that option. For that option, probably you might need to get a private tuition. There are institutions that do private teaching. They teach you and then they get you prepared for the NOVDEC examination. I think in Accra, there's one institution, one school that I've heard of, which sort of had made a lot of strive in this area, the Apex International School. They are located in former Ecodes campus at Medina. So when you get in touch with them, you can have their flyer here. This is their flyer. You can get in touch with them, and if you are going for a receipt of the WAEC examination, they can help you prepare for the examination. Please, they are not going to write the examination for you. They are not going to let you sit down for them to bring you a soft copy of any paper that's your result. No, they are actually going to take you through lessons. They're going to teach you and prepare you for the examination. So be mindful. When you get there, you're not going to sit down. If you want it to be easy, it's not going to be easy, but they will give you the resources, what you need to learn, and prepare you for the examination. These are the methods that are approved by WAEC for you to better your grades, or for you to make your grades better, and also have a higher chances of moving up to the next level of your educational career. So this is all that I have for you in this video. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, share this content, like our content, subscribe, and then hit that bell notification icon there for you to be notified anytime we post any new video. Please share our video and see you in our next video.